See, you have seen what is full stack Java, what is Java. These all you have seen. I given how many editions of Java is there? 4 editions. What is the first one? Java SC. Second one, Java EE. Third one, Java ME. Fourth one, Java FX. So 4 editions of Java is there. Core Java is a part of Java SC. Advanced Java is a part of Java SC and Java EE. So according to Sun Microsystems, there is no core Java, there is no advanced Java. There is only Java. 4 editions of Java is there. Java SC, Java EE, Java ME, Java FX. In 4 editions, core Java, complete core Java is a part of Java SC. Okay. Advanced Java, some topics comes under Java SC and some topics comes under Java EE. While learning advanced Java, you will understand which are the topics comes under SC, which are the topics comes under EE. At that time, you'll learn. But this is core Java class. Okay, this is core Java class. Complete core Java is a part of Java SC only. Complete core Java is a part of Java SC. Okay. Yesterday, you learned Java. Java is a programming language. Java is a platform, and Java is a technology. Say why it is called technology is which is going to be updated day by day. That is called technology. Suppose internet is a technology which is going to be updated day by day, and internet is a technology, mobile is a technology, like that Java also technology, because Java also they are updating every day they are updating. That's what Java also we can call it as technology. See one session you studied what is full stack Java. One session you studied how to learn Java and these editions. One more session you studied what is Java. Okay. The 3 sessions, those who missed, you'll get a recorded videos. No need to worry about that. Okay. The 3 sessions, whatever you missed, you'll get a recorded videos. Now, today you are learning first topic already given, Java fundamentals. You are learning Java fundamentals. In Java fundamentals, first topic. In a core Java, first topic, Java fundamentals. You are learning Java fundamentals. Yesterday given, Java is a programming language, Java is a platform, Java is a technology. These 3 I given. See, today you are going to learn programming related subject. Next node. In 1995, Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Sherry Sworth, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems. Now owned by Oracle Corporation. History of Java, no need to learn, but just the names of the Java developers. In 1995, Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Sherry Sworth, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems. I'll clarify your doubts end of the session. Just write it your doubt in notebook. End of the session, you can ask any doubt. Listen the class. Listen the class. End of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. Say in 1995, Java was developed by 5 members team. 5 members: James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Ed Frank, Cherisworth, and Mike Sheridan. 5 members team. James Gosling is a team leader. He's a main person. James Gosling developed at Sun Microsystems company. Developed at Sun Microsystem company. Now that company owned by Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation people, they purchased their Sun Microsystem company. Now that company is not there. Say WhatsApp company is there, that is owned by Facebook. Nokia company is there, that is owned by Microsoft. Like that, Sun Microsystem company owned by Oracle Corporation. Okay, this is enough. Java history not required. James Gosling history also not required. Sun Microsystem company history also not required. What is the business deal between Sun Microsystem Oracle Corporation also not required to you. Okay, it is unnecessary. You concentrate, you work hard to get a job in MNC. Okay, you concentrate and work hard to get a job in MNC. Unnecessary things no need to learn. Okay, say Sun Microsystem company now owned by Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation company purchased Sun Microsystem company. Okay, now Sun Microsystem company not there now. Oracle Corporation only. Even about Java, if you want to refer any notes or documentation, you have to open Oracle site only. Oracle Corporation company, they purchased Sun Microsystem company. Okay. Next, Java slogan. Java slogan, nothing but caption. Write once, run anywhere. In short, WORA. Write once, run anywhere. Write once, run anywhere. It is Java slogan. It is nothing but caption. Java slogan, we can call it a caption also. Once if you write a Java program without modifying single character, you can run anywhere. Okay, this slogan they given. This slogan meaning is, yesterday you studied. What is that concept? Write once, run anywhere. That meaning platform independent. So Java is a platform independent. This is only that slogan. Once if you write a Java program without modifying single character, the program anywhere you can run. That is the power of Java language. Okay, this slogan they given in 1995, 2022 also they are maintaining. 2022 also they are maintaining new versions also, new concepts also. Okay, this is slogan, or we can call it a caption also. Next, now programming related subject, I'll start. Those who missed 3 sessions, you'll get a recorded videos. Those who joined today, okay, you'll get a recorded videos. No need to worry about that. No need to worry about that. You'll get a recorded sessions. Those who missed last 3 sessions. Now here today I'll start code snippets, logical code snippet related subject. I taught already how to learn Java. I explained. How many steps to learn Java? You attended? No? Those who attended, give me answer. How many steps to learn Java? 6 steps. 6 steps. I given. First step, point-wise theory. Second step, logical code snippets. Third step, concepts-wise examples. Fourth step, applications. Fifth step, integrated applications. Sixth step, project. Okay, like that you are going to learn. Okay, for learning Java there are 6 steps: point-wise theory, logical code snippets, concept-wise examples, applications, integrated applications, and projects. That is a way to learn subject. Okay, In the 6 steps, second step is most important. Logical code snippets. See, one example, logical code snippet. This is byte A equal to 3. Character B equal to some X. And integer C equal to A plus B. System.out.println. It is called one code snippet. This is called one logical code snippet. Now, will it compile or not? Will it executes or not? If compiles and executes, what will be the output? If not compiles, where is the error? If not executes, where is the error? That error can be solved or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If it is not possible to solve, why it is not possible? This type questions most important for your career. Okay. If you are familiar with logic, any Java program you can write. Not only my programs, new programs also you can write. That's what you need to focus. You need to work hard for this type of code snippets. It appears like a very simple, but those who passed BTech with 90% also not giving answers. It's happening. Okay. Because you studied in academic theoretical, but software company requires logical. This is logical code snippet. Here, actually, you'll study further. This A, byte type, B, character type. Byte plus character, if you add, integer type comes. That's what this statement is valid. Like that, total 56 conversions are there. Conversions. Out of 56 conversions, 14 conversions not possible to convert. 19 conversions automatically done. 23 conversions must be done by programmer. But which are not possible? Which are must be done by programmer? Which are implicitly done? You have to remember. Then only this type of code snippets you can give answer. But which are 14, which are 19, which are 23? Total 56. These are fundamentals only. Very basics. Okay. So this type questions only logical questions. Now, if you want to learn this type of code snippets, here 6 concepts are there. In a one line only, first line only, this byte is called data type. This A is called variable. This equal to symbol is called operator. This 3 is called literal. This byte is a keyword also. This A is an identifier also. So total 6 concepts. After completion of 6 concepts, you will understand this code snippet. So you have to learn identifiers, keywords, literals, data types, operators, variables, operators. These 6 concepts, if you learn, then that type of code snippet possible. Today, I'll start one by one these 6 concepts. After learning 6 concepts, I'll interact with you with many logical code snippets. Okay. Now, today only, I'm going to start programming related subject. Programming related subject. Okay. Programming related subject, I'm going to start. Now, first concept, identifiers. Note down. Identifiers. So once if you complete these 6 concepts, then any logical code snippet, you can give answer. Yeah, these are recorded videos. See, online students, in a chat box, recorded videos links came, you can copy. These are recorded videos. Actually, first day 1, day 2, 2 classes, I explained what is full stack Java only. This class, I explained how to learn Java. This class, I explained what is Java. Okay, 4 sessions. This is actually 5th session. Day 1, day 2, same I explained almost. Day 1, day 2. These videos you can watch. Those who missed it, you can take a snap. Online students, in a chat box, videos links came, you can copy. So these 4 videos. Day 1, day 2, what is full stack Java only explained. Day 1, day 2. Okay, what is full stack Java explained. Day 3, I explained how to learn Java and Java editions. Day 4, I explained what is Java, what is platform, what is platform independent. Okay, today day 5. Day 1, day 2, same I explained. So no need to watch day 1. Day 2 directly you can watch because same I explained. In chart box only is there. You can see, you can copy. In chart box already copied. Okay, once again I'll copy. These are videos. Okay, so day 1, otherwise take a screenshot. Otherwise take a screenshot. These 4 videos, in 4 videos, day 1 no need to see because day 1, day 2 same I given. Directly you can watch second video. Day 2, day 3, day 4 you can watch. This is Monday class. This is Tuesday class. This is Wednesday class. This is actually Friday class. Friday 1 class I have taken. Saturday, Sunday I didn't take. Directly Monday I have taken again. So Friday class only I repeated on Monday. So it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Today is Thursday, no? Okay. Now. Next, identifiers. Note. An identifier is a word and it is used to identify variables, methods, classes, interfaces, dash dash, etc. An identifier is a word. An identifier is a word and it is used to identify variables, methods, classes, interfaces, dash dash, etc. An identifier is a word and it is used to identify variables, methods, classes, interfaces, dash dash, etc. Listen with more concentration. After teaching, again questioning will be there every day. See, yesterday I asked questions, no? Like that only, every day I'll interact with you. Every day. Okay? Only I'm teaching, you are watching means you'll not get a subject. That's what every day I'll interact with you. Compulsory. Then only you'll get a subject. See, first I'll teach identifiers. After completion of identifiers only, questioning will be there. Okay? An identifier is a word and it is used to identify variables, methods, classes, interfaces, dash dash, etc. But what is variable, what is method, what is class, what is interface, you'll study further. You can understand possible. See, for example, every person having one name, identification purpose. Like that in a program, we'll write variables, methods, classes, interfaces, package, so many things we'll write. Identification purpose, for every variable one name, for every method one name, every class one name, every interface one name will write. That is called identifier. So next, write it. It can be a variable name, comma, method name, comma, class name, comma, interface name, dash dash, etc. It can be a variable name, It can be a method name, class name, interface name, dash dash, etc. It can be a variable name, method name, class name, interface name, dash dash, etc. So in a program, so many concepts will be there. So many concepts will be there. Identifiers, keywords like that, so many concepts will be there. And identification purpose, we are going to write one word. Identification purpose, we are going to write. That word is called identifier. That word is called identifier. But writing identifier, rules are there. Write it. Rules to declare an identifier. Rules to declare an identifier. Rules to declare an identifier. First rule. It can be formed by using alphabets. It can be formed by using alphabets, capital A to capital Z and small a to small z in the brackets. It can be formed by using alphabets in the brackets, capital A to capital Z and small a to small z, comma, digits 0 to 9, comma, underscore symbol also, and dollar symbol in the brackets. It is first rule. Rules to declare an identifier. First rule, it can be formed by using alphabets, digits, underscore symbol, and dollar symbol. So in an identifier, we can write capital letters, we can write small letters, we can write digits, we can write underscore, we can write dollar, but other things not allowed. Like so many special symbols are there, only 2 symbols allowed, underscore, dollar. Other symbols having special meaning, that's what not possible. Like a plus, it is addition operation. Minus, it is subtraction operation. That's what you cannot write there. So in an identifier, you can write capital letters, small letters, digits, underscore symbol, and dollar symbol. This is first rule. Second rule, it must begins with alphabet, comma, underscore symbol or dollar symbol. It must begins with underscore it must begins with alphabet, comma, underscore symbol or dollar symbol. It must begins with alphabet, comma, underscore symbol or dollar symbol. So rules to declare an identifier. Third rule. So it must begins with alphabet, underscore, dollar. First letter must be either alphabet or underscore or dollar, but digit not allowed as a first letter. That is, okay, it must begins with alphabet, underscore, dollar. First letter digit not allowed. Okay. Third rule. Length of the identifier. Length of the identifier is not limited. Length of the identifier is not limited. There is no limit in the length. N number of letters you can write. Accepted, accepted, accepted. Few languages, suppose example C language only. C language is compiler dependent also. Platform dependent also, compiler dependent also. Some compiler supports 8 letters only. Some compiler support 32 letters. Some compiler support 40 letters. But Java, there is no limit. 100 letters also write accepted. There is no limit in the length. Okay. Next. Fourth rule. It should not contain special symbols. It should not contain special symbols other than underscore symbol, underscore and dollar symbols. It should not contain special symbols other than underscore and dollar symbols. It should not contain special symbols other than underscore and dollar symbols. In an identifier, underscore is allowed, dollar is allowed. Other symbols, if you write, error comes. Okay. Now, fifth rule. It should not contain white space characters. Space bar, comma, tab, and enter keys. It should not contain white space characters. In the brackets, space bar, tab, and enter keys. It should not contain white space characters. Space bar, tab, and enter keys. See, that means space not allowed. White space characters. Suppose space bar. If I press space bar, are you getting any output? No, that is space. If I press tab, see, are you getting any output? No, it is called white space character. If I press enter key, are you getting any output? No, it is also called white space character. That means one space also error, many space also error, next line also error. That meaning. So space is not allowed. So white space characters. These three, space bar, tab, and enter keys also characters only. According to ASCII, you'll study further. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII characters. So space bar not allowed, tab not allowed, enter key not allowed. Nothing but spaces not allowed. One space also error, many space also error, next line also error. Okay. See, these 6 concepts: identifiers, keywords, literals, data types, variables, operators. If you are familiar, some hundreds of code snippets you can give answer. Okay. Now, first concept, identifier nodes I given. See, once again, identifier nothing but it is a word. Identifier, it is nothing but word. And it is used to identify variables, methods, classes, interfaces, dash dash, etc. In a program, you are going to write variables, methods, classes, interfaces, packages, constructors, so many things you'll write. Those all identification purpose, we are going to write one word. The word is called identifier. That is nothing but name of the variable, name of the method, name of the class, name of the interface, name of the package, name of the constructor, name of the enumeration. Those are called identifiers. Okay. Now, for writing identifier, 5 rules are there. 5 rules. First rule, it can be formed by using alphabets, digits, underscore, dollar. Capital letters you can write, small letters you can write, digits you can write, underscore you can write, and dollar you can write. These are allowed in an identifier. Second rule, it must begins with alphabet, underscore, dollar. So digit not allowed as a first letter. Digit as a first letter not allowed. Third rule, length of the identifier is not limited. N number of letters you write, accepted, accepted, accepted. Fourth one, it should not contain white space characters. It should not contain special symbols other than underscore and dollar symbols. So underscore allowed, dollar allowed, other symbols not allowed. It should not contain white space characters. Space bar, tab, enter key. Space bar, if you press, 1 space comes. Space not allowed. Tab, if you press, 8 spaces comes. That is not allowed. Enter key, if you press, next line comes. Next line also not allowed. Okay. Now, I'll write some identifiers. Which are valid, which are not valid. I'll ask questions. You have to give the answer. Okay. Now, examples. See, first one demo, second one demo, third one demo. See, first one, second one, third one. Don't write. I'll give time for writing. Just listen. Don't write. Now, 5 identifiers are written. 5 identifiers are written. Now, my question is, in these 5 identifiers, which are not valid? Only fourth one not valid. Okay. Which are not valid? I asked. Fourth one is not valid. Okay. Why fourth one is not valid? It must begins with. It must begins with alphabet, underscore, or dollar. Okay. It must begins with underscore alphabet, underscore, dollar. So here digit started. That's what fourth one is not valid. Suppose I'll give some more. Now I given, sorry, it is 6, 7. Again 5 identifiers are given. Again 5 identifiers are given, which are valid. Which are valid. 7 is valid and 10 is valid. 7 and 10. Okay. Online students also respond in a chat box. See, 7th one is valid, 10th one is valid. Okay. Here, space not allowed. Okay. Here, it is not underscore, it is hyphen, minus. Here, hash not allowed, dollar allowed. Okay. Now, 11. Underscore, ox, underscore, 12. Underscore, underscore, ox, 13. Dollar, underscore, dollar, 14. Underscore 2 ox, 15. Underscore 2 ox, dollar. 11 to 15, which are valid? All valid? Sure? All are valid. Okay. Here I written underscores, valid. Here starting underscores, valid. It is dollar allowed. So here starting underscore later 2, it is allowed. Like this, $2 allowed. All are valid. Now 15 identifiers I asked. You given answers. If I give 1000 identifiers also, can you give answer or not? Yes or no? Possible, no? No. What you have to by heart? These 5 rules you have to by heart, or 15 examples you have to by heart? 5 rules or 15 examples? 5 rules you have to remember, not 15 examples. Okay. 15 examples if you remember, 16th one also may or may not possible. Okay. But 5 rules if you remember, 1000 identifiers also you can give answer. Okay. Same style. My programs if you remember, my programs only can write. My way if you remember, any program you can write. What do you want? Yesterday I explained. Okay. My way if you remember, any program you can write. My program if you remember, my program only can write. New program not possible. 5 rules if you remember, 1000 identifiers also you can give answer. 15 examples if you remember, 16th one also may or may not possible. Okay. Like that only, learning style most important. Now you observe, in a software company exam and academic exam, how much difference will be there? I'll explain. Okay. Software company exam, academic exam, how much difference will be there? I'll explain. See example, software company, like this only. Now, 5 identifiers they'll give. Which of the following identifiers are valid? They'll ask. Listen, listen, listen. Which of the following identifiers are valid? They'll ask. Okay. Or which of the following identifiers are not valid? That type question they'll ask. 5 to 10 identifiers they'll give. Which of the following identifiers are valid? Which of the following identifiers are not valid? That is software company written test. Okay. Suppose, assume you forgot this second rule. Assume you forgot second rule. Okay. Assume you forgot second rule. Then what will happen? It is also valid, you'll write. It is also valid, you'll write. If you forget one rule. See, out of 5 rules, one rule if you forget, you'll fail in software company. Okay. But academics, are they asking this type of question? No. What they'll ask? Explain identifiers briefly. If you remember only first rule, 1 page theory will write. Okay. See, academic exam is like that. Explain identifier briefly, they'll ask. Then one rule, only one rule if you remember, 1 page you'll write. Every BTech student is perfect. 1 line notes if I give, 1 page they'll write. Okay. See, software company exam and academic exam, how much difference will be there, you observe? Software company exam, academic exam. Out of 5 rules, 1 rule if you forget, you will fail here. Out of 5 rules, 1 rule only remember, you'll pass in academic. That much gap is there. So software company, academic exam, lot of difference is there. That's what, every point important only. Okay, every point important only. Write these examples. Online students, just listen the class, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. It is not 1-to-1 session. That too, it is only not only online class. Online and offline both are going on at a time. I have to take care about all students. That's what, end of the session, I'll clarify your doubts. If any doubts are there, write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll clarify all your doubts. Examples, 15 examples I given. So Monday you will get a PDF files also. You'll get a Google Classroom link on Monday. Up to Monday, you have to wait for PDF files. That's what, write running notes also. Okay, write running notes also. Running notes I'll give, PDF files I'll share. What are the diagrams I'm going to teach? That is, I'll share in Google Classroom. I'll conduct exams also. I'll give assignments also. Everything will be there. Exam will be sudden test. Monday to Saturday, 1 day test will be there. Next week only I'll start. Okay, Monday to Saturday, sudden test. I won't inform when I'm going to conduct. Every week 1 test will be there. Okay, weekly status you'll get it. Whether what you understood, what you didn't understand, you'll understand your status. And also weekly 1 assignment. Weekly 1 assignment will be there. Weekly 1 test will be there. Say this is just 1 concept. Identifiers completed. 1 concept. Okay. Next. Keywords. Next heading, keywords. Note down. A set of words reserved by language itself. A set of words reserved by language itself. And those words are called keywords. A set of words reserved by language itself, and those words are called keywords. So writing program purpose, some words are already reserved. Those words we can call it as keywords. Writing program purpose, some words are already reserved. Reserved words are called keywords. Examples: public, private, protected, public, private, protected, this, static, final, class, interface, package, int, float, if, else, while, for, dash dash, etc. A set of words reserved by language itself, and those words are called keywords. A set of words reserved by language itself, and those words are called keywords. So writing program purpose, some words are reserved. Those words we can call it as keywords. These are some examples. Next point, all keywords must be written in lowercase letters only. All keywords must be written in lowercase letters only. Online students, any doubts are there, write it in your notebook. End of the session, I'll give a time for doubts. At the time you can ask. It is not one-to-one session, and that too it is not only online session. Online and offline parallelly going on. Once if I say you have to listen, later you can ask. I'll give a time now. All keywords must be written in lowercase letters only. So these words compulsory you have to write small letters only. Capital letter you cannot write. If you write error. But identifier, capital also allowed, small letter also allowed, mixed also allowed. Identifier. But keywords compulsory small letters. If you write capital, error comes. Okay. This is also in a Java. C language maximum small letters only. But in Java, capital, small, mixed concepts are there. Where we ought to write capital, where we ought to write small, everything you should learn. I'll explain. Okay. That is most important in Java. Capital letter, small letter. Many people, they are doing mistakes in capital place small letter place capital letter. It's happening. Even advanced Java class also. After completion of core Java, advanced Java also, they are doing same problems. That is only just 3-4 rules are there. If you remember where capital, where small, you can understand. I'll explain. Okay. All keywords must be written in lowercase letters only. Compulsory small letters. Keywords. If you write capital, error. Next. There are at present total 50 keywords in Java. There are at present total 50 keywords in Java, including strict FP, comma, assert, and enum. There are at present total 50 keywords in Java, including strict FP, assert, and enum. There are at present total 50 keywords in Java, including strict FP, assert, and enum. Starting 47 keywords introduced. Later, these three came, 50. Recently, nearly 10 keywords came, but still not included in the list. That is the reason I'm not giving. So almost 60 keywords are there in Java. Almost 60 keywords. Recently, many keywords came, but that is still not included in the keywords list. Okay, that's what I didn't given. That is while teaching new features, I'll explain about that. Now, next write it. Strict FP keyword introduced in JDK 1.2 version. Assert keyword introduced in JDK 1.4 version. Enum keyword introduced in JDK 1.5 version. Strict FP 1.2 version. I'll explain. Further we'll study what is strict FP, what is static, what is final, what is class, everything. Today not possible all. Now, first day only all not possible. See, first example, identifier. It can be a variable name. It can be a method name. It can be a class name. It can be an interface name. Again, interface, one class it will take. Class, one more class it will take. About what is class also, one class it will take. Okay. What is class also, one class required. That is further I'll explain. Today not possible all. But subject is like this only. But directly only identifier if you learn, variable comes. Variable if you learn, identifier comes. Now further, encapsulation if you learn, abstraction comes. Abstraction if you learn, polymorphism comes. Polymorphism learn, inheritance comes. All at a time if you learn, one principle also you cannot understand. That will be happen. So one proper order is there. The order I'll teach, that way you follow. See, now keywords list only I'm giving. What is public I didn't explain, what is private I didn't explain. These three keywords only one class it will take. This keyword only 3 days it will take. Only this static keyword 1 day it will take. This final keyword 1 day it will take. Like that it takes time. All this is only list I'm giving you. Keyword concept I'm explaining. Okay. Later we'll study. Strict FP keyword introduced in 1.2 version. Assert keyword introduced in 1.4 version. Enum keyword introduced in 1.5 version. See JDK. Yesterday I given JDK. What is JDK full form? Java Development Kit. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. And it is called as Java software. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. And it is called as Java software. Latest version of JDK. Latest version of JDK is 18. So up to Java 18, I'll teach. Up to Java 18, up to latest version, I'll teach. JDK stands for Java Development Kit and it is called as Java software. Latest version of JDK is 18. How to download Java software, how to install Java software, how to set the environment, everything I'll cover. Don't worry. Just you follow my rules and guidelines, whatever I'm going to teach, that way you follow. Okay. JDK stands for Java Development Kit and it is called as Java software. Latest version of JDK is JDK 18. Note 1. CONST constant and go to keywords presently not in use. Constant and go to keywords presently not in use. Constant and go to keywords presently not in use. constant and go-to keywords presently not in use. See, in the keywords list, these two keywords are there, but not in use. If you write, error comes. In future also, they may activate or they may remove. But it is still 1.0 onwards, it is continuing up to 18. Not in use, not in use, like that only they are giving. Okay. If you write, you will get an error. That's what it don't use these two keywords. It is there in the list. Okay. Like why, you will understand further. Constant keyword in C language to make a constant we use. But Java, another keyword came, final. That is the reason not in use. Go to keyword, with go to keywords, many logical error comes. That's what C programmers only stop to use go to. But Java developers, that is removed by Java developers. In the keywords list, it is there, concept removed. Keyword is there. So that's what further you'll understand. Note 2. Note 2. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. So these 50 words we should not write as an identifier. So already keyword identifier 5 rules you studied. It is one more rule. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. So 50 words are there, reserved words. These 50 words, variable name, method name, class name, interface name, package name, we should not write. If you write, error comes. This is because already reserved, having some meaning. Okay, that's what we should not use. So, but how to remember 50 keywords? Up to exception handling, if it is completed, topic wise, you will write 50 words. You can recall your subject, you can write 50. Just up to exception handling, if you learn. After that 50 words list, you can write directly. It is possible. Okay. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. Keyword cannot be used as an identifier. See, this is keywords concept. About keywords. See, already given, I told point wise theory. Paragraphs not required. Exact point. Okay. Now you observe keywords. Writing program purpose, some words are reserved. Those words are called keywords. Okay. Writing program purpose, some words are reserved. Those words are called keywords. Example, these all. All keywords compulsory you write in small letters only. Capital letter not allowed. Error comes. At present 50 keywords are there, including these 3. So starting 47 came. Later these 3 added. Recently nearly 10 keywords came. But those keywords still not included in the list. That's what I didn't mention. That is in further classes while teaching new features. I'll explain. These 3. Say it is introduced in 1.2 version, it is 1.4 version, it is 1.5 version. Like this Java version 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 like that came. After 1.9 directly they given 10. Instead of 1.10 they given like a 10. That's what 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 like that 18 came. So every 6 months new version is coming. Every 6 months. So present Java edition, Java version 18. Okay. 2 keywords not in use. In a program, these 2 keywords appears. Directly you can write answer error. Suppose in a code snippet exam, constant go to keyword appears in Java exam. Directly you can write answer error. Because that doesn't work. Keyword as an identifier, if you write also error. Okay. See, 2 concepts. Keywords, identifiers over. Next, literals. Every point important only. Already told. What is the difference between BTech exam, software company exam? I explained. Okay. In a BTech exam, 1 point if you remember also 1 page you will write. But software company exam, every point important only. Every point important only. Next, literals. What is literal? We'll see. A literal is a source code representation of a fixed value. A literal is a source code representation of a fixed value. A literal is a source code representation of a fixed value. See, in a program, employee number 101, you'll write that 101 is a fixed value. That is called literal. Employee name, something you'll write, that is a fixed value. That is called literal. Nothing but data. In a C++, we are calling constants. Java language, we are calling literals. It is nothing but just data. If you see, you'll understand. In Java, literals are divided into 6 categories. In Java, literals are divided into 6 categories. First one, integer literals. Integer literals, nothing but numbers. It can be positive number, it can be negative number, it can be 0. These all comes under integer literals. First one, integer literals. So positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0 are called integer literals. Second one, floating point literals. If fractional part is there, we can call it as floating point numbers. Fractional part is there, we can call it as floating point literal. Integer literals, floating point literals. Third one, character literals. So tomorrow only more logical part we'll see, because already third concept this is. If you want to get a job in a software company, you need to concentrate, you have to work hard for programming related subject only. Unnecessary theory, no need to learn. It's a waste of time. Okay. You concentrate, work hard for your target. Your target is you want to get a job in MNC. Then compulsory you have to learn subject like this only. If any other style, if you learn, it's a waste of time. It's a waste of money. Okay. See, after BTech, students are unable to write programs. Reason, learning style. Learning style is different. What you learn in BTech is different. What software company is asking different. It is not matching. That is the reason only you are facing the problem. Okay. Next, character literals. Character literals. Character literals must be in single quotes. Even digit also you can write. Special symbol also you can write. But one character only. It is just one character only. One character in single quotes. Single quotes compulsory. That is called character literal in Java. One character in single quotes. The character may be alphabet also, digit also, special symbol also, even space also. Okay, one character. 2 if you write error. Okay, 2 if you write error. Fourth one, string literals. Here n number of you can write, but double quotes. Say hello, welcome, double quotes. Here You can write digits also here also. But if you write like this also, it is called string literal only. Okay. If you write like this also, it is called string literal only. If you write numbers also, string literals. Double quotes if you write, that is considered as a string only. That can be special symbol or digit or character. These are called string literals. One character in single quotes is called character literal. One character or many characters in double quotes is called string literal. Boolean literals. Fifth category, Boolean literals. True, false, no other. Only two. True and false are called Boolean literals. True and false are called Boolean literals. Sixth one, object literals. That is null. True, false, Boolean literals. Null, object literal. Here also 2 points you have to remember. Note 1. True, false, and null are not keywords. So in the keywords list, it is not there. True, false, and null are not keywords. In a keywords list, true, false, null is not there. And one more. True, false, and null are also cannot be used as an identifier. True, false, and null are also cannot be used as an identifier. So it is one more rule added for identifier. The 5 rules in a keywords, one more rule came. In literals, one more rule came. So like that, 7 rules like. These 3 words also we should not use as an identifier. If you write, error comes. True, false, null are also cannot be used as an identifier. Now I'll ask some questions, give me answer. Employee number. Employee number, which category of literal required? Employee number. Which category literal? Integer literal also valid. String literal also valid. Some companies alphanumeric they'll use. Then string. Only digits means integers. Some companies employee number 101, 102, 103 like that they'll write. Some more companies like suppose company name also they'll include. Suppose Naresh ID, N91, N92, N93 like that they may include like that. So if only digits are there, integer literal we can select. Alphanumeric mixed is there, string literal we have to select. That is employee number. Name, which category of literal required? Name. Name, which category? String literal. Name compulsory, string literal required. Employee name. Employee salary, which category of literal? Floating point literal. Rupees and paisa. Both required. So floating point literal. Employee attendance. Just a true or false, like a present absent. Boolean literal also we can use. If you want to write complete present absent, string literal you have to write. If you want to write one character, present P, absent A, character literal. You can select character literal also, string literal also, Boolean literal also. Okay. Employee attendance percentage. Working days, how many present, how many absent, at last you'll get a percentage. Then floating point literal. Like that. Okay, like that you have to select. See, each and everything, if you remember, then only you can give answers for logical code snippets. Okay. See, how to learn Java, I explained. how to learn Java, I explained. Second concept only, logical code snippet. See, first step, point-wise theory. See, my notes is point-wise theory only. Okay, point-wise theory. Second step, logical code snippets. That is tomorrow only I'll start. Logical code snippet. After that, concept-wise examples. That is, I'll start after 3-4 days. After that, many days, you learn first step, second step, third step only. Once if you are perfect, fourth step, application. Last, integrated application. 2-3 concepts I'm going to combine. That is called integration. Last, project. Project means real-time concepts required. If you develop any project with only core Java, no one will consider. That's what advanced Java required. With that, you can develop projects like that. Okay. See, identify rules I explained, keywords, concepts I explained, literals I explained. These all points you have to remember. Tomorrow, some more points added, like here, data types, variables, operators. These are added. After that, if I give a code snippet, will it compile or not? Will it execute or not? If compiles and execute, what will be the output? If not compiles, where is the error? Not executes, where is the error? That error can be solved or not? If it is possible to solve, how to solve? If not possible, why? That type questions. That type questions, thousands of questions you can write. Because logically you should be strong. So after completion of these three only these two only, I'll start. Just data types, variables. Tomorrow I'll teach. After that, immediately I'll start logical code snippets. After that, you will study this one. With that, again, some more code snippets. Day by day, you are going to see logical code snippets. One more thing, exam pattern also. What I'm going to conduct weekly one test. That pattern also only logics, not theory. Okay, not program, only logics. Like 15-20 questions I'll give. Okay, 15-20 questions, logical code snippet I'll give. For every question, 1 minute time. So 20 questions means 20 minutes you have to complete. Okay, 25 questions means 25 questions in 25 minutes you have to complete. After 25 minutes, I'll give answers. Then you have to check it out. How many you written right, how many written wrong. Based on that, you'll understand your status. Even online students also, everyone. Online students also will write exam, offline student, all people will write. Okay. I'll give 20-25 questions, screenshot. I'll open. Okay. See, questions I'll open. Here I'll show you one example. See, it is not Java, it is Python. Okay, like this I'll place. Okay, like 20 questions I'll give. 20 questions, it is not a Java exam, Python exam, that is. 20 questions I'll give. 20 minutes time I'll give. 20 questions, 20 minutes time. In the time period, you have to try to complete. After that, I'll give answers. You have to check it out. How many written right, how many written wrong. Okay. Based on that, you'll understand your status. And a weekly one assignment also I'll give. 10 programs I'll give. Within a 1 week, you have to complete. Within a 1 week. Okay. After completion, if you don't get, I'll teach. Myself, I'll teach. But you have to try. Everyone should try. Okay. Because it is a technical subject. If you don't practice, if you don't think, you will not get a subject. Logical thinking required, and also you need to spend more time on system. More time on system you have to spend. Then only you'll get a subject. It is not a theoretical subject, technical subject. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. Tomorrow, data types, variables, I'll explain. Tomorrow, more logical part will be there. More logical part. Tomorrow I'll interact with you more. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Online students, just wait 5 minutes. Online students, wait 5 minutes. Now, one by one, I'll clarify your doubts. One by one, I'll clarify. Just wait for your answers. I'll clarify all your doubts. I'll clarify your doubts. I'll clarify your doubts one by one. Core Java, Advanced Java included in the full stack Java. Not only Core Java, Advanced Java, full stack Java means 5 modules. You watch this second video, you'll understand what exactly full stack Java. I'll share notes in a Google Classroom. You need to wait until Monday. Monday, I'll share. Yeah, previous classes, these 4 classes, you can watch videos. First class, no need to watch. Second, third, fourth, because first and second almost same I given. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. One by one, I'll clarify your doubts. You wait for your answer. Yeah, day 5, day 6, day 7 videos also you'll get it. But further, you will not get videos. Up to Saturday, you'll get a videos. Up to Saturday, you'll get a videos. Further, no recording sessions. Further, videos will not be provided. One by one, I'll clarify. For all people I'm giving answer, just wait. Yeah, non-technical doubts, you can contact admin also. Yeah, Yashwant Kumar, you want to join in offline? Yeah, you can come to Amirpet. Vishaka, printf is not a keyword. Printf is a library. Yeah, strict TFP, you'll study further. It is just a today list only given. Today only not possible all. Just 1 minute wait. Repeatedly people are asking questions. Previous classes recorded videos only. These 4 recorded videos you can watch. First one, second one same is there. Third and 4, second, third, 4 you can watch. String literal can contain special characters also. Yes. You already, yeah, Preeti. 2 years advanced. You worked as a Java developer. Okay. What is your doubt? So directly, if you want, you can join advanced Java class. Possible. You can attend. Literals notes. Literals notes. This is literals notes. Next. Yeah, these all core Java. Yes, Sarita. Shashidhar, it will take 60 to 70 days to complete this course. Kishan, yeah, offline also available, online also available. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can continue. Preeti, you completed MSCIT, PGDS. Okay, you can continue. All are eligible. Object literal today you cannot understand. Object literal in further session you'll understand. After Ramchandra Gupta. Object literal, if object is not there, null will be stored. Object is there, hash code will be stored. That is today you may not understand. You already have a knowledge means you can understand. Object is there, hash code stored. Object is not there, null will be stored. Yeah, non-IT students also can understand. Non-IT student also can understand. Online also okay, offline also okay. Whichever you feel comfortable, that is you can continue. Preeti, you already joined for testing course. Testing course also core Java prerequisite. String data type. String is actually it's a library class. Yes, capital compulsory. That is library class. Library classes also rules are there. That is in further session I'll explain. Sushant, identifier whatever we are going to write. Keyword is already predefined. Preeti, what is your doubt? But if you want to learn testing also, core Java required. If you want to go for as a Java developer or full stack Java developer also, first core Java only prerequisite. Core Java, if you are perfect, remaining all becomes easy. If any other doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID also, I'll give reply. Two classes if you attend, it takes more time. 3 classes if you attend, 4 to 5 months it will take. Depends upon your timings, you can select. Only core Java means 2,500 they are charging. Advanced Java they are charging 3,000. Priyanka /0. Yeah, if you write /0 also, it doesn't actually, it is not required in Java. String is a class in Java. Because in library, so many methods are there. Deepali, component elements. Elements nothing but if you write a collection, many elements will write. Many numbers, many strings, if you write, that is called element. Component nothing but software. One small software also you can call it a component. Akram, net hash income not allowed. This full stack Java course is 12,000. Only core Java 2,500. What is the difference between full stack Java, core Java? That is in a recorded videos I given. You can watch these videos. Salman. Sri Durga. Yeah, the link is going to be changed tomorrow. Sai Kumar. Yeah, core Java and JDBC enough for manual testing. Ramakrishna, C++ suitable for developing system software, Java suitable for developing internet application. Both are programming language. Gautam, yeah, once if the full stack Java course is completed, you can work on real-time projects. Yes. Salman, if you are already familiar with core Java, you can join in advanced Java parallelly. Otherwise, advanced Java not possible. Rajvi, yeah, if you want only core advanced also, you can join. Advanced, if you are already familiar with core Java, those people only join in advanced Java. That is evening 7:30, my batch only going on. Yeah, 2017 pass outs, Mahendra. Yeah, eligible for full stack Java. Duration of full stack Java, it will take 4 to 5 months. Core Java duration, Aditya, for Java duration 60 to 70 days will take. Deepthi, yeah, Core Java, JDBC required for learning automation with Java. Rahul, yeah, tomorrow they are going to change the link. If you pay the fee, you'll get a link. With that, you can join. Non-technical, yeah, BSc, BCom computers, BCom, BA, BCom people also doing software jobs. All are eligible. Sanjeev, yes, tomorrow they are going to change the link. The payment details already provided in chat box. You can see. Non-technical students also, all are eligible for software companies. Net at income, it is not valid. Literal nothing but data. This complete full stack Java course duration 4 to 5 months. Core Java 60 to 70 days. Yeah, Musadik, yeah, certificate will be provided. Yeah, with only Core Java also, full stack Java also. Dimple, yeah, thank you. Yeah, material provide in a PDF format, and running notes also you can write. Non-technical students also can understand, they can learn, possible. Software field, all are eligible. Roji, Jasmine, yeah. This is only 9 to 11 Core Java class. Shashidhar, Java J2EE means this full stack Java only you have to learn. Shiva Jayanti, yeah. Core Java practical. You are good at Core Java. Yeah, you can continue advanced Java. You can continue. You can continue. Today 7:30 advanced Java is there. You can continue. Core Java 60 to 70 days it will take. Rahul. Like up to Monday, they'll provide recorded videos. Monday onwards, further recordings will not be provided. Yeah, full stack Java course, if you learn, you get a full stack Java developer. Keyword can be a part of, yes, string literal. Yes, Ramachandra Gupta, right. You can write. You can double quotes if you write, everything is valid. Spring Core, Spring MVC, Angular will be covered in full stack Java, but Spring Boot is not covered. Java, this full stack Java, more than enough to get a job in MNC. Huge demand is there for full stack Java. Preeti, if you want to, again, if you want to work as a Java developer, resume will be different. If you want to work as a testing related, that resume will be different. Yeah, I'll provide material Monday. You will get a Google Classroom link. With that, I'll share notes in a Google Classroom. Floating point literal, Sonali. Floating point literal, nothing but decimal points. Point something is there, floating point literal, like this. This is floating point literal. Amit, payment details already provided in the chat box. Gopinath, spring and angular will be covered, but spring boot is not covered. Advanced Java, Chandrasekhar. Advanced Java, nothing but web related, internet related applications we can develop. Jayanti, Shiva Jayanti. Yeah, it will take 60 to 70 days to complete core Java. Shishidhar, it is not possible to get in a 1 week. Core Java 60 to 70 days, advanced Java 60 to 70 days it will take. Yeah, Shiva Jayanti. Yeah, you can continue advanced Java batch. Today evening 7:30 batch is there. Yeah, Sarita. If you want to go for testing side, core Java, manual testing, Selenium, it's enough. And Oracle is there, it is more better. Gopinath already given answer. Spring and Angular covered. Spring Boot is not covered. Shishidhar, full stack Java, if you learn complete will be covered. J2EE also covered, Java also complete, Java also covered. It is the best option, no confusion. Because you are already working. So Java, J2EE environment they assigned. That's what it is, full stack Java only option. Yeah, this is core Java session, Mahesh. Advanced Java duration also 60 to 70 days. Online also, offline also, same time class is going on. Payment details are there in chat box. Hibernate included in this course. Yes. Sushant, identifier, whatever you are writing, keyword already prepared. Payment details. Okay, I'll provide 1 minute. Uday Kumar, if you want to go for .NET Core, this is not the class. This is Java class. .NET Core you can join. Roji Jasmine, you watch this video, you'll get a full clarity. Core Java prerequisite for many courses. Yeah, I'll share once again. You are unable to copy from chat box. It is possible. Advanced Java duration also it will take. Yeah, to learn .NET other course, join in other .NET course. Recordings will not be provided. For getting new ID, you need to pay the money. C++ not required to learn Java. Sonali, already I give reply to your message also. Kavya, yeah, you can join in offline. Up to that, you can listen 1 week online also. Shishidhar, already told Complete Java, full stack Java you have to learn because already they assigned J2EE platform. Ramachandra Gupta. Yeah, advanced Java, it will take 60 to 70 days. Same duration. Mahesh, if you want to learn Spring Boot and microservices after full stack Java, you can learn. Sanjeev Kumar, variable name is called identifier. Variable is a container which contains data. I'll explain further. Core Java batch timing only 9 to 11. Mukesh, yeah, you're pursuing masters in physics. Okay. Other timing you can select. Link for tomorrow, you'll get it after paying money. Sonali, you contact admin only. Best option is Java developer, Preeti. Spring Boot not covered in full stack Java. Detailed course syllabus available in website also. Advanced Java, core Java parallelly not possible. At least up to exception handling knowledge required. How to install, I'll explain. Payment details, 1 minute, I'll copy. Yeah, I copied payment details. So if any doubts, non-technical doubts are there, you can contact admin. Sandeep sir is the admin. You can contact them. Syllabus available in website, you can see. Complete syllabus is available. Okay. If any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID also. So if any doubts are there, you can mail to my mail ID. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. Venkatesh.mansani@yahoo.com. This is my mail ID. You can mail to my mail ID. If unable to copy, you can take a screenshot. If you are unable to copy, you can take a screenshot. Okay. We'll see continuation tomorrow.